Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chintamani Chittoya from Alpine Pharma, and I welcome you all to this red-lettered day in the history of pharma industry, where a real-life protagonist meets the real, where the science meets art.
So the idea came, can we create some kind of a film in which these great personalities can be shown larger than life?
They told us, one of you will have to take a back seat.
I remember very well, when I asked her, why did you come to join Lady Hardinge Medical College? She says, I want to become a great teacher. My aim is not Lady Hardinge Medical College, ma'am. My aim is All India Institute of Medical Sciences.
I think she's one of the most charismatic doctors I've ever met. And we all know her legendary clinical skills anyways. We were always in obs and gynae, we were always doing good work. But when she came in, she brought a paradigm shift.
I think everyone have heard about ma'am, and I would like to say only one line, that she is a bomb of energy.
A very nice film, madam, and a really great film you prepared for the doctors. I am very happy that somebody made a film for the doctor. This is something very great.
It's honestly a privilege to have somebody like you working with us.
In India, we believe that marriages are only celebrated on earth and they are actually decided in the heaven. And it is by God's grace that I have she as my wife.
Whatever I am today, it's because of Madam Kamal Bakshi. Somebody told me with Dr. Kamal Bakshi nothing doing. If she is convinced you are worthy of a job of faculty, she will take you. And madam, that is how I am here today, because you gave me a chance. I don't know living, whatever pressures were on you, but just because I was a nobody, and I owe my professional career to you totally, madam.
Those pharma companies who take after that India is rural and it is the most of the 70% of our people are poor. Birlas are few, but nothing like Tatas, who did such wonderful in our country, and the pharmas like Mankind and everybody who are doing so well.